The first annual State of the Channel Address. Ladies and gentlemen, Hobby Dude 007. Good evening. My fellow content creators, members of the Sprue Union, my fellow modelers, distinguished guests. This month, the Hobby Dude 007 channel celebrates its first full year on YouTube. And with the addition of this report, we will have now posted 74 videos. Thank you. On the 22nd of March, 1 year past, we posted our very first video. And on the 22nd of this month, we will revisit that video with new features. Now, many have asked, Hobby Dude, has it been worth it? What have you learned? Well, number one, we have learned much about YouTube. Analytics, for example. Statistical data that YouTube furnishes for the content creator to determine how their videos are doing so you can better your channel. But I feel that I have learned more from your comments, your thumbs up, your thumbs down, as well as the number of views a particular topic is receiving. Now, armed with all of this new data, and we are still learning, of course, I can assure you that I will most likely continue to do whatever the heck I want to. Thank you. Number two, we have learned, don't overextend yourself. Now, I think this is a problem that not only plagues this channel, but many other channels and many other modelers as a whole. We overextend our projects sometimes. And to that end, I am designing and developing a new modeling time management plan for all modelers. Now, I know many may be asking, is it possible? Can this be done? My friends, I believe that it not only can be done, it should be done, whether it works or not. As I look back over the last year, I am so very grateful for the many, many friendships that I have made and developed. Many of you I have been privileged to meet at shows and swap meets, and it has been fun. I look forward to many more of you meeting me in the future. On a serious and brighter note, I am very pleased to report that model shows and swap meets are up almost 100% over 2 years ago. It also appears that soon, hopefully, that the only place we will be wearing masks is in the paint booth. Now, with the loss of much of the Tester's paint line, I am pleased to report that new and improved paints from other sources are on the rise. Model companies are revealing new and revamped toolings almost every day, it seems. Now, as we look to the coming year, I am developing a plan for a new educational infrastructure called No Modeler Left Behind. My friends, there is no reason for any model car builder, model car enthusiast, or collector that they should not know such names as Big Daddy Ed Roth, Ratfink, Tom Daniels, George Barris, Boyd Coddington, and Chip Foose, just to name a few. Now, this program will also include model car history and philosophy, teachings of the origins of such statements as, and of course this is in the old original English, keepest thou adjoining thy fingers together. It is vital that we educate all modelers. And many of you may ask, why is this so important, Hobby Dude? And the answer is quite simple. Because all models matter. Yes, they do. Now, domestically, I pledge to support as many of our model car channels as I possibly can, as this helps grow the hobby. And I ask you to join me on this worthy quest for a better, larger model car nation. Now, I also want to take a moment to give focus to those along our southern border. People like model car designer Jim Rogers of J.R. Salvino's in Texas. Those on the southern border in Arizona like Lucas C. of Model Car Hobby Headquarters, Brian at BG's Model Workshop, James at Scale Model Experiment, and Louis the Autistic Modeler. And this is just to name a few. There's just too many to name, but we want to recognize you along that southern border, and we want to salute you. I also pledge continued support to our European friends. Great people like Kim at Kim's Custom Garage in Denmark, and Pete at Pete's Model Car Customs in jolly old England. Now, I know many of you are asking, why do all these things, Hobby Dude? Why? Reflecting back on the words of a modern model car philosopher, why do we build model cars? And permit me, if you will, to add my own twist to this already profound answer. Because, gosh darn it, they're fun. May your paint jobs all be smooth, or at least rub out perfectly. And may your glue never run out. Thank you, my friends, for your continued support. God bless and good night.
And now, the Anti-Model Car League response.
It's good water, dude. Oh, my fellow model car hater dudes. We just saw the first annual speech of some kind from that hobby dude. And, you know, guys, I got nothing. This is a great speech, wasn't it? All right. That's it, dude.